Hi, so today I'll be showcasing the inventory management on Frappe framework, right? So you can see the login screen and I have already put in my ID and password. So I'll just click on login. The status changes to verifying, and once it's verified, it will change to success and I'll be allowed to log in. Yep. So I have successfully logged in, and this is the home page for our ERP Next. You can see, and on the left side you can see all the modules, starting from accounts to assets, buying, CRM, selling, inventory management, then coming to some specific domains like manufacturing, right? So I'll be directly getting into the buying, and this is the landing page for the buying module. Here we can manage the various quotations from supplier. We can request for quotations, then we can compare them. Then I'll be just getting into a purchase order and I'll showcase you how to create a purchase journey. So I have already created one purchase order and I have to create a new one. Just click on this, and this is a page on which you can fill in all your details and a purchase order will be raised to the supplier. So I have a supplier listed, right? And now you can put the various other details, like you need the material to be delivered by 31st of March, right? Then I have kept these fields here so that you can put the dimensions of the sheet which you wish to purchase from the manufacturer. So there are two options, like reduced or the rolled one. Then the width, weight, length, the thickness, and the coating, right? The normal or the zinc. Here the fields are dynamic, but if you want, we can create variants as well, where the fields will be static and a person will not be able to change the length, width, or the weight of the sheet. Right, now we have accounting dimensions. This helps you to manage different branches and different projects under your main organization. Then we have currency and price list. Suppose you have multiple suppliers, you have multiple vendors, and from some vendors you get the raw material or the sheets on a cheaper rate, and from someone you get on higher price. So you can manage your buying price list accordingly. Then here is the item child table, where you can put the item which you wish to purchase. Yep. So I have these two items listed. So I'm taking sheet S1, right? You can manage the quantities. The unit of measure is numbers. I'll be buying number of pieces. This time I'm not buying in kgs, I'm buying in number of pieces. And you can put the rate. For the first time, you have to put the rate, and from next time it will be updated in the pricing list, and it will be updated automatically, right? And here are the various taxes and charges. You can manage interstate or the outstate tax category, like 9% plus 9% or the total 18% you can manage. Then a grand total will be shown here, right? And if you're getting any additional discount, that can be put over here. So I'll just quickly save and submit this. Now I have saved and submit that purchase order. You can see status has been changed to receive and bill from the supplier, right? So a purchase notification has been gone to the metal sheet supplier, and he must be preparing for the same. And all the details which we have put in the purchase order are reflected here, and you can see, you can cross check them, right? And once you receive the material from the supplier, you can create a purchase receipt. So you can see it's creating a purchase receipt based on the same. Yep. So you don't have to fill anything. All the details will be automatically pulled. Like we ordered for the 50 pieces of sheet S1, the same price, everything will be pulled from the purchase order. And if you wish to do a quality check and you reject some of the pieces, then you can put the quantity over here and it will be automatically reflected in your inventory, right? So I'll just go ahead and save this. Yep. So now you can see this message given by ERP Next that 50 serial numbers has been created. So this helps us in tracking our inventory. Uh, one batch and 50 serial numbers has been created against this purchase receipt for 50 pieces of sheet S1. Now it's time to do the payment to the supplier. So I'll just click on create and click on purchase invoice. So it's taking few seconds. Maybe internet is lagging at my place. Yeah. So now it has brought me to a page from where I can create a purchase invoice. You can see over here the purchase invoice not saved. And again, all the details will be automatically pulled up from purchase receipt. You just have to cross check and save it. Now, a final confirmation. Do you wish to submit? Yes. So now purchase receipt has been created, purchase invoice has been created. It's time to have a look on your accounting ledgers. You can see your accounting ledger is updated, right? And from here, I'll go to the purchase receipt associated. And from here, you can see the stock ledger. So for every purchase receipt, there is a stock entry associated in your stock ledger, and for every purchase invoice, there is an accounting entry associated with your accounting ledger, that is general ledger. So you can see 50 pieces of in quantity. We have got it in our stores. Description: it's a cold reduced sheet. This was the price we bought in, and all other details are here. Now, when it comes to batch number and serial number, it shows that a batch number sheet 001 has been created, and there are 50 serial numbers against this batch number. So now I'll be showcasing you the inventory part. So this is the landing page for stock module. Here you can see this bar stating the stock value for the stores. There will be multiple bars. If you have multiple warehouses, then each bar will be representing the stock value in every warehouse. Then you can quickly access to the material requests, stock entries, purchase receipts, and have a quick view on the stock ledger. And there are multiple reports over here: the serial number, batch number tracking, key reports, and other reports. So I'll quickly explain the stock ledger. You can see you can put various filters. I have put a filter of 20th Feb to 29th of March. You can put in for various warehouses, items, uh, voucher numbers, or batch numbers, right? And these are the entries which we have done in last 1 month. You can see we bought in 10 quantities of this sheet, one quantity of this sheet, and one quantity of sheet has been sold, then we have just inverted 50 quantities which I have shown in your purchase receipt and purchase invoice just before, just a couple of minutes before. So you can see 50 units being entering our warehouse and the associated details. For those sheets, we were not managing the batch number and sheet number. For this sheet, we have managed the batch number and serial number. So each and everything is possible. Then going back to the stock module, I'll quickly explain the batch number and serial number tracking. So this was the batch number which was associated with the purchase receipt, which we have created a few minutes ago. Here you will see the stock levels, like in stores, we have received 50 pieces of the sheet. Now either you can move it to the other stock, other warehouse, you can move it to the other warehouse, or you can split into multiple batches. Suppose you don't want to keep only one batch, you can split it into multiple batches. Then all other details are here, right? So now I'll be going to the serial number thing. You can see the various serial numbers created for the sheet which we have just bought. Since this sheet is available in your warehouse, the status over here is active. Once this is sold, it will be turned to disabled. Now, let me explain you the selling module. So as you can see, I've selected the selling module from my left panel. And just like the stocks, you can see again a chart that is sales order trends on your selling dashboard. You can customize these charts or you can prepare your own dashboards. Here you can quickly access your sales orders. You can do your sales analytics. You can directly jump to your full-blown dashboards. Then you can manage your customers, quotations, orders, and invoices. Even you can create blanket orders, right? Then moving to item and prices, you can manage various prices for different items. Then there are various key reports available, and some generic reports are available here. So I'll quickly go ahead and create a sales order for the demonstration purpose. I have already created one, and I'll add a new one. So you have to select it. You have to select a customer, right? The delivery date. Then if you have a purchase order available from the customer, you can put in here. Otherwise, you can ignore. That's not a mandatory field. Then again, which I've explained you in the purchase order cycle, you have to put the requirement of the customer which you have received. Here is the width of sheet, the weight, and the coding as per the requirement of the customer. Right. Again, these are the accounting dimensions and the pricing list, which I have explained on the purchase cycle. And then the item code, the customer which wish to purchase. So I'll take it as 15 quantities. The rate has been automatically pulled up from the ERP Next. Then you can manage your various taxes, CGST, SGST, and then the grand total is here. So I'll just cross check, save. It's taking few seconds to save. Seems like I have internet connectivity issue over here. Yeah. So now it's saved. You can see the pop-up saved. Then quickly submit it. Right. Now, based on this sales order, you can see the status to deliver and bill. Right. So we have to deliver this product to the customer, and we have to bill him. So right from here, you can create a sales invoice. Right. You can see all the details over here. All the details are automatically pulled up from the sales order. So you can see saved, and a new sales invoice has been submitted successfully. Now you can either print it or email it to the customer. That facility is also available. I'll just show you a basic overview how it looks. So this is the format of sales invoice, but this is the basic one. You can create a beautiful sales invoice as well over here. Now, we have raised the sales invoice. Y- You have to deliver the product. So I'll go ahead and create a delivery note. So here is the delivery note. All the details are automatically fetched. I'll just save this and submit, right? So all those pop-ups have come automatically over here, and you can see the status as completed. So the entire cycle of sales order, sales invoice, and delivery note has been completed, and you can have a look on your stock ledger that 15 pieces are out from the quantity. That means your stock ledgers are updated automatically once you create a sales invoice, right? So that's it from this demo. For more queries, you can contact sales@thenestorbird.com. Thank you.